Good morning. Oh, oh shit. There is a slight orangeness in the sky. Either the solar field's gone pop or it's starting to get light. Oh. Oh, don't piss into the wind. Don't piss into the wind. Yeah, that's Dawn. Dawn. Um, my God, this phone is shit for recording in low light levels. You can barely see the havoc. Oh. Well, the configuration worked. Oh, fucking me, it's freezing. 17 degrees, my fucking hairy bollocks. God, that's fucking cold. Oh yeah, it might be 17 degrees down in the valley, but up here on North Hill, yeah, it's foggy over there. Well, foggy, mist. No, call it mist. If you call it fog, it's scary. If you call it mist, it's nice. It's exactly the fucking same. But yeah, it's very misty over there. Oh, I'm gonna guess that the town itself is actually in a fucking it's freezing cold. I tried for several minutes to do this bloody little thing up, and it wouldn't do up. My little fleece jacket thing. Oh, and I forgot that my walking stick was left on the ground. Right. Oh, that's pretty fucking nippy. Oh, right. And I got a sore throat. Shit. Yeah, the configuration kind of worked, which you can't really see. It's dark. There we go. It's just that because the oven ready is waterproof, it means that you end up with a slight moist patch from condensation. Oh, shit, that's cold. It's one of those times when, yeah, I'm gonna buy an under blanket. I mean, the tarp thing underneath it works, but an under blanket, for the sake of, I think, 25 quid, is carrying the weight. That's gonna be the issue. So under blanket, yes. I've got a thermos. I am tempted. God, I'm fucking shaking, shivering. I mean, I do have a thermos. It's a case of boiling up some water beforehand, like before I go to sleep, and then making up a hot drink, so I can actually have some hot in the night if I do get too cold. Oh, fuck. Yeah, so back in bed. Need to rearrange things a little bit. Yeah, also another thing, having the Bergen stuff hung up outside. It's another windbreak. Right, fuck.